So the Major Mobility Investment Program was set forth back in 2016 to help manage and mitigate congestion in our most congested corridors throughout Metro Atlanta. And the goal behind this program was to touch our most congested corridors throughout the metro area, as well as several projects outside the metro area, including I-75 down south near Macon, as well as 1695 and I-16 down in Savannah. The goal is to improve congestion on these roadways and help our freight corridors along the way as well. We have made some changes to the program as it relates to the schedule for MMIP. Recognizing that the program as a whole still remains the same. We're still building express lanes on 285, we're still building express lanes on State Route 400, as well as operational improvement projects on the interchanges at 285 and 20, east and west, as well as the commercial vehicle lanes. So this is a big, complex program in MMIP. By breaking these projects up, shifting the timelines on these projects really allows us to have further coordination with these local jurisdictions to make sure that we're meeting the needs that they're trying to accomplish on their corridors. The goal to break these projects up really came from listening to the industry and hearing what they had to say. We took the opportunity to break these projects up to make them more manageable. We also believe that the breakout projects are going to help local economic development from a traffic operations perspective, at the same time bringing smaller opportunities for contractors and developers to come in and get some work on this program as well. We recognize there may be a lot of confusion around timing and scheduling for all these projects. For the State Route 400 project, we wanted to make it clear that this project is set to go to construction in 2022 and a 5-year construction time frame opening us up to traffic in 2027. We've had a lot of coordination over the last couple of years with the local stakeholders along this corridor, cities and counties and CIDs and otherwise. We've had our first series of PIOHs, or public information open houses, earlier this year, where we received a lot of comments back on that project. I-85 Phase 1 is scheduled to be completed next year in 2020. There's lots of congestion on that corridor all the way to the South Carolina line, but we believe moving that project forward is not only going to help the congestion on that roadway today, but also going to help minimize the impacts to resources later on as we bring the bigger program forward. So we wanted to make it clear that this program is still moving forward, albeit some changes to the schedule. But it's important to us to deliver these transportation projects because congestion is not getting any better out there on our roadways today. We believe these managed lanes and other operational improvement projects are really going to move the needle when it comes to mobility and congestion.